Welcome! This is the first episode of Smarter UX Writing with me, Katrin. Let me show you how you can be a better writer, elevate your UX copy style, and see examples how others do it. Follow me on this journey. First, let me introduce you what UX writing actually is. Defined by the UX Writers Collective, it's the place where you, the user, and the computer, the interface, meet and interact. So it's the text you see or hear in a user interface. Without text, there is no design. And you might also wonder who is telling you all of this. Hi, I'm Katrin. Thanks for checking out this episode on Smarter UX Writing. Every day, our inboxes are flooded with automated messages. And sometimes they act if they are human, but they are really bots. Maybe you could turn things around, like FIGMA did. You feel acknowledged and you feel seen when FIGMA thanks you for filling out your survey, even though it's an automated message. They make it more fun and easy that they say they have a human being to contact if you want to. And then it's no bots, they promise. If your UX copy makes people smile, it's more likely they will remember you and maybe even trust you more. In behavioral psychology, the humor effect is responsible for the reaction in the human brain that humorous items are more easily remembered than non-humorous ones. The humor effect works because humor is distinct and it takes time to understand jokes and humor. Also, humor carries emotional arousal. So everything that is done in a humorous way is more memorable. During a user's or customer's journey, every touchpoint leaves an impression. And I'd say, make that count and make your user smile if possible, so you will be easily remembered. Scott Kubie hits the nail on the head. We have to imagine how two humans would interact in a situation, and that's exactly what FIGMA did. If you want to reach your customers and your users, you have to speak human, because you are still designing experiences for humans. So don't use bots that act as human, but do it the FIGMA way. I'm Katrin. I'm signing off now. I hope you have a good one, and be always on the lookout for better UX copy.